Welcome to ADIPEC 2025 on the BARTEC booth. You are welcome to see our EHT solution. My name is Electric Heat Tracing Teufel, Business Development Manager for CEMEA area, and I will show you what we can have this type of solution for EHT system. So you can see we have a full pipe structure with different typology of cable. We are using self-regulating cable. We have serial cable, and also you can see the accessories which is coming just nearby. So the sensor, the GB, end of line, and the thermostat. What we are doing right now also, we are moving on this panel where we have a PLC inside, and this BARTEC Polaris HMI could control all the system. So you can see here that we have different way to control it, and we can change all the setup as we want. So it is totally, I will say, flexible to choose and to do everything directly on your control panel. Otherwise, you can have a communication directly on your main PLC ICSS. This is a different typology of thermostat that we have also. If you don't require to have a PLC, we can have this main thermostat, which is directly able to switch off and switch on the cable, the power, and you have the sensor. You can modify and set up the thermostat directly with your smartphone by Bluetooth and have a communication bus to have all information going into your main PLC. So we try also to provide a full solution turnkey project. So the target is not just to have components, but to have the full solution with the material, which is all accessories, the main panel with the distribution board inside, and the installation of everything, plus the installation of the pipe structure on your site. We have a dedicated team based in Noida with 20 people working for the engineering, taking care of your project, starting from the feed to the maintenance contract that we can propose also in the future. So this is a solution that BARTEC can propose for EHT business.